Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for control panel. So once you search for control panel, just click on open right here. And then in this part, on the view by, make sure that it is set to category. So once it is set to category, we're going to click on network and internet. And then we're going to click on network and sharing center. Now in this part, under the connections, you should be able to see your internet provider. So what we're going to do is to just click on that. So once you're now here, you will see this. So what we're going to do next is to click on properties, which is right here. And then in this part, we're just gonna scroll down and then look for IPv6, which is right here. So if you see that your Internet Protocol version 6 is turned on, so what we're going to do here is to just turn it off, and then we're going to click on OK. Once you click on OK right here, just close all of your tabs, and then once you close all of your tabs right here, just restart your computer. So do that by going here and then restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.